And the third way they're going to do it now is where you've got both the fraction and the y-intercept in there. So we're still going to find our y-intercept first because we like to do that one. If I put 0 in for x, I'm going to get I'm going to get the 6 on the end. I always get that end number. That's why they called that the y-intercept in slope-intercept form. So 0, 6. 0 over up 6 is going to be straight up there on my y-axis at 6. Now, when I'm picking my numbers for x, we said because we have that fraction, we want to pick multiples of the denominator. What might I pick for x? 3 would be a good choice because there's a 3 in the denominator. Negative 1/3 times 3 over 1 plus 6. So the 3's cancel. Negative 1 plus 6 is 5, right? So 3 over up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What's another number I might want to put in for x? 6 would be a good choice. So negative 1/3 times 6 over 1 plus 6. 3 goes into 6 2 times. 2 times negative 1 is negative 2. Negative 2 plus 6 gives us 4. So 6 over 4 up. 6 over 1, 2, 3, 4 up. So when I draw my line, because my slope was negative, I should be going downhill, and I do. Because my slope was negative 1/3. So, now I want to graph the line y equals 3/4 x plus 1. If I find my y-intercept, what is my y-intercept going to be? Plus 1, so just a 1. If x is 0, gets rid of the x, I get the plus 1 on the end. So right there, 0 over up 1, or on my y line at 1. What's the next number I might want to put in for x? 8. 8 sounds good. So 3/4 times 8 over 1 plus 1. What kind of answer am I going to get? 7. 4 goes into 8. 2 times 3 is 6, and 6 plus 1 is 7. So over 8, up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We probably don't want to pick a bigger number than 8 because we wouldn't fit on our graph. But what's another good number we could pick? 4 would be a great number to pick. 3/4 times 4 over 1 plus 1 would give me 4. 3 plus 1 is 4. So when we put 4 in for x, we got 4 for y. Over 4 and up 4. Now we can connect our dots and draw our line. And again, our slope was positive, and that's why it's going uphill as we go from left to right. So, graphing y equals 3/2 x minus 2, finding my y-intercept. My y-intercept is at?
Negative 2.
Negative 2. Picking some numbers to put in for x. What would be a good choice for x?
2.
2 sounds great. 3/2 times 2 minus 2 gives me 1. 3 minus 2 is 1. So over 2, up 1.
4.
Sarah, she's just moving right along. 3/2 times 4 minus 2. So if I do that, I'm going to get 4. Hey, I got 4 again. Over 4 and up 4. Again, when I connect my dots and draw my line, my slope is positive. I should be going uphill as I go from left to right. If I could draw straight, then it'd be my lot.